think generally colleges want AI-ready learners. And we want equity to move faster than the technology. But right now, learning is happening in pockets. So we have faculty that are trying things alone. There's classified staff. They're often left out of trainings. In the beginning, many faculty were against the tools at first. Now some are trying to figure out how to integrate AI into the current system. And then some faculty, they jumped on board. They're piloting processes themselves because they didn't really have any institutional support system. I've noticed that many colleges started offering PD during their flex days, but very, very few formally offered classified professionals these types of AI trainings. So the good news is that, leaders are cautiously eager. Our region's deans are excited to prepare students for AI work in all the fields. They understand how important it is to support our faculty because we can't prep students for tomorrow with instruction that is stuck in yesterday. After ChatGPT launched in 2022, I started training colleges and teams in upskilling to leverage generative AI so that they can better serve students. But like you mentioned, in addition to understanding how it can serve their own needs. And at the systems level, before 2022, if you want to do an analogy, most change looked like computer patches. Like debugging the processes, maybe like adding some integration. And Gen AI was a platform shift for us. Basically, I believe that our focus, it's not just about updating the system, it's really about upgrading the user. So upskilling is like a human software update. We're teaching faculty and classified and administrators to co-compute with AI so that their own neural networks collaborate productively with the machine networks. I've served our region's colleges for 7 years, and that's the number one question: what are other colleges doing? So they're always looking for guidance, for coordination, for community. And transformation at this level, AI is existential. It's at this level, it's just too hard to be done alone. So I firmly believe that regional approaches are more likely to make that happen. So for our policymakers and funders, I really hope that they would know this one thing about the Inland Empire Desert, and it's that we're literally sitting at the front edge of the automation wave. Most of our recent job growth, hospitality, warehousing, last mile logistics, those all live in roles where software and robots, they're already touching them. If we don't redirect training dollars now, today's forklift driver can become tomorrow's unemployment statistic instead of tomorrow's logistics analyst. Our biggest vulnerability, it isn't new grads, it's mid-career adults. The average learner is 35 and older. They're juggling work and family and debt. They can't quit a 4-year degree. What works for them is affordable, stackable, job-embedded sprints. I never saw myself as techie. I hate change. And yet here I am learning and collaborating with AI every day. I'm discovering just how powerful it can be for productivity. Also what a great partner it is for me finding my purpose. And if I can learn it, I really believe that anyone can. Potential is everywhere, but access, language, belonging are not, at least not yet. Right? So I've watched learners 17 to 65 and they light up when they realize AI, it's not for coders only. So you have to have clear goals. You have to know what matters, and you have to have multiple pathways, and then the agency, right? And that's the energy and the support to move. When you have all of those three, I think hope becomes performance fuel. And so that's what I hope for our region, is that every single person not only gets access to that performance fuel, but they're able to use it to create the type of life that they want.